If your Bali marriage certificate isn't legalized properly, you're stuck in embassy limbo for months. And here's how the TheBaliLawyer fixes it in 48 hours. Here's the problem. Most notaries skip the ministry step entirely. Get your marriage certificate apostilled at the Bali Ministry of Law within 3 business days instead of waiting 14. Use a bilingual notary who handles both Indonesian PPAT stamps and foreign consulate requirements in one visit. Your Bali marriage certificate needs 3 stamps to work overseas: Indonesian notary, Ministry of Law apostille, and your home country's consulate legalization. Skip one and your marriage isn't recognized abroad. This is exactly why we built TheBaliLawyer, to handle the full notary marriage certificate legalization process so you don't lose visa eligibility or spousal rights. A British expat married in Bali in 2026 waited 9 weeks for UK Home Office to accept her certificate because the notary forgot the ministry stamp. By then her spouse visa window closed. Here's what to do next. Most people fail here. They go straight to their consulate with just the Indonesian notary stamp. The consulate rejects it because Indonesian law requires Ministry of Law apostille first. You waste 6 to 8 weeks restarting. Do not skip the ministry step. With TheBaliLawyer, we file at the Bali Ministry office the same day your notary signs, cutting wait time from 14 days to 3. Step 1. Book a PPAT notary in Denpasar who specializes in foreign marriages. TheBaliLawyer works with 4 bilingual PPAT offices. Average appointment wait is 2 business days. The notary drafts your Akta Perkawinan, stamps it, and registers it with the civil registry. Cost is 2.5 million rupiah for the notary fee plus 500,000 rupiah registry stamp. Total 3 million rupiah, about $195. Step 2. Submit the notarized certificate to the Ministry of Law and Human Rights in Denpasar for apostille. This is important. The apostille proves the notary's signature is genuine under the Hague Convention. Standard processing is 14 business days. TheBaliLawyer has a same-week track with the Ministry office. We get apostilles in 3 days. Fee is 1 million rupiah, about $65. Without this stamp, your consulate won't touch it. Here's the problem. Right now your certificate sits with 1 stamp. After step 2 it has 2, the notary and the ministry apostille. That's the before. The after is a triple-stamped document your consulate accepts within 24 hours. Most expats stop at the notary, think they're done, then the consulate sends them back. You lose 4 to 6 weeks. Step 3. Legalize at your home country's consulate. Each consulate has different forms. For UK nationals, the form is called Legalization Request. You submit the apostille certificate plus your passport copy and 2 passport photos. Processing is 5 business days. Fee is £50. For US citizens, use the authentications page on the embassy site. Upload a scan. Pay $50. Wait 10 business days. For Australians, the form is Notarial Services Application. $85 Australian, 7 business days. TheBaliLawyer handles all 3 steps in one package. We book your notary, courier the certificate to the ministry, then to your consulate, and deliver the legalized document to your door in 10 to 14 days total. Email your consulate with this subject line: Request for marriage certificate legalization, apostille attached. Body: I am a citizen of your country, married in Bali on date. Attached is my Indonesian marriage certificate with Ministry of Law apostille. Please confirm legalization fee and processing time. Thank you. Book a bilingual PPAT notary in Denpasar within 2 days. Get Ministry Apostille in 3 days through the TheBaliLawyer same-week track. Stop doing this yourself. TheBaliLawyer legalizes your Bali marriage certificate in 10 days, all 3 stamps. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for full marriage certificate legalization in Bali. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.